don't undercharge because we don't know our worth. We undercharge because we were taught to survive, not to stay. And in 2026, if you don't unlearn that cultural code, your business will choke under it. Hey Queen, I'm Rhonda Glynn, the Zoma Lady, and today we're going into the real reasons Black and Caribbean women undercharge. Reasons that have nothing to do with confidence and everything to do with conditioning, culture, and clarity. Today, I'm bringing both sides of me. The auntie, who will lovingly tell you the truth you've been avoiding, and Professor, who will give you a strategic way out. Let's get started. Teaching point number 1, the hidden cultural money codes. We come from communities where women are expected to work, but not doing too loudly. You were raised to be grateful, to be humble, not to shine too bright, not out-earn anyone. Keep the peace. Don't embarrass people with your success. And these codes follow us into business. Not because we're weak, but because we were trained to play small. Here's another one. Teaching point number 2, the good girl discount. Here's a framework I teach inside Zoma. The good girl discount. Truth is, you reduce your price every time you feel you're being too much. The client won't afford it. You're afraid of judgment. You're afraid of rejection. You want to be liked. But sis, good girls don't build wealth. Women with clarity do. Teaching point number 3. Fear of visibility equals fear of charging. Truth is, you're not afraid to raise your price. You're afraid to be seen charging it. So you think, what will they say? Who does she think she is? She charging US prices. The moment you stop shrinking your visibility, you stop shrinking your price. Teaching point number 4, the value math framework. And if you get nothing else here, get this. If you can't justify your price, you can't raise it. And here is the value math. Price is equal to outcome multiplied by urgency multiplied by lifetime benefit. If you're charging for price alone, you're wrong. You're charging for transformation, not hours. But if you're serious about stopping that charging cycle, then here's what I want you to do. Download my finance readiness audit and it'll give you a clear strategy to fix it. And in the meantime, if you need more, here's what I have for you also. Join me for Power Circle, Bold Women, Big Moves on Sunday, January 11 from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the Radisson Hotel, Port of Spain. Of course, it's by invitation only because 2026 are for the women who take bold moves.